If you've ever wondered which emails are taking up the most space in your Gmail account, or you need to check the exact size of a specific message, this quick tutorial is going to help. In this video, I'll show you how to check the size of an email in Gmail step by step so you can better understand what's using storage and manage your inbox more efficiently. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and locate the specific email you want to check. This method works best when you want the exact size of one individual message. Once you've opened the email, look in the top right corner of the message window. You'll see the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open the additional options for the email. From the menu that appears, select Download Message. Gmail will then download a copy of that email, usually as an .eml file. This downloaded file contains the full message data, including the content and attachments, which is why it gives you a good way to check the message size. After the file downloads, open your browser's download folder or check the save dialog depending on how your browser handles downloads. Right-click the file and choose Properties on Windows or Get Info on Mac to see the exact file size. You can also view the size directly in some download managers or file explorers. This is the easiest way to find out how much space that specific Gmail email is using. If the email has attachments, you'll notice the file size is much larger, which can help you identify storage-heavy messages quickly. If you only need to compare a few important emails, repeat the same process for each one and compare the downloaded file sizes. That way, you can decide which messages to archive, delete, or keep. Just remember, Gmail doesn't always show the size of an email directly inside the inbox, so downloading the message is the most reliable method for checking the exact issue. And that's it. Now you know how to check the size of an email in Gmail. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Gmail tips, and I'll see you in the next video.